large numbers. So this is our first chapter in our class, our standard. So large numbers. In previous classes we discussed about number system. So unit, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh we discuss. Now here large numbers till we discuss in this chapter, we discuss till 10 crore. Till 10 crore we are going to discuss. Then before, see here. So we start from 4 digit number, 4 digit. In 4 digit large number. Four-digit large number is 9,999. This is our 4-digit large number. If we add plus 1 to this number, then what happened? See here, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 means 0 is here and 1 is here. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. So then we get 10,000. 10,000. This is our first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit and fifth digit. Total 5 digits. Total 5 digit. Here 4 digit larger number. If we add plus 1 to 4 digit larger number, then we get 5 digit number. Then we get 5 digit number, that is 10,000. It means in this 5 digit number, this is the smaller number. This is the smallest number. It means if we add plus 1 to largest 4 digit number, then we will get smallest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number. In the same way, 5 digit number. That is larger. 5 digit larger number. So that is 99,999. 99,999. For this number, if we add plus 1, then what it happens? What happens here? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. Again 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 means again 10. 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means again 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, finally 10. And then we get this number. This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So this is 5 digit smaller number. 5 digit larger number. Sorry, 5 digit larger number. This 5 digit larger number, if we add plus 1 to this number, then we get 6 digit smallest number. 6 digit smallest number. This is 6 digits smallest number. 6 digit. Here also 5 digit smallest number. Smallest number. It means 4 digit greater number 9999. Then 5 digit greater number 99,999. Then 6 digit greater number 9,99,999. 7 digit greater number 99,99,999. So these are the greater numbers. 4 digit greater number 9,999. 5 digit greater number 99,999. 6 digit greater number 9,99,999. Then 7 digit greater number 99,99,999. These are the greater numbers, greatest, and here smallest number. So 5 digit smallest number. If we add plus 1 to this, then we get smallest 5 digit number, that is 10,000. 10,000. So if we add plus 1 to this, then we get smallest 6 number, smallest 6 digit number. If we add plus 1 to this, then we get smallest 7 digit number, smallest 7 digit number. So like this. So in the same way, if we add plus 1 to this smallest 7 digit, then we get greatest 7 digit number, then we get smallest 8 digit number. So this is the method. So in this we explain what we explained here for 4 digit larger number. 4 digit larger number is 9999. If we add plus 1 to this large number, then we get 5 digit smallest number. 5 digit smallest number. In 5 digit greater number, 99,999. If we add plus 1 to this number, then we get 6 digit smallest number. If for 6 digit greater number, if we add plus 1, then we get 7 digits smallest number. In that way, here explanation, this is 4 digit greater number, plus 1 is added, then we get this is smallest number. Smallest numbers. Plus 1 is added 4 digit greatest number, then we get 5 digit smallest number. Plus 1 is added to 5 digit greater number, then we get 6 digit smaller number. If plus 1 is added to 6 digit greater number, then we get 7 digit smaller number. This you have to keep in your mind. So what about the smaller number, smallest number, and what about greatest number? Smallest number and greatest number, this is the difference. For smallest number, if suppose if I ask 2 digit greater number, so what about 2 digit greater number? That is 2 nines we have to take. 2 nines we have to write. If I ask 9 digit greater number, 9 digit greater number. What is 9 digit greater number? So if we ask 9 digit greater number, we have to take 9 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is simple. For greater number, it is very simple. How many digits he asks, that many nines we have to take. If 4 digit greater number, we have to take 4 nines. If 5 digit greater number, we have to take 5 nines. If 6 digit greater number, we have to take 6 nines. So in that way, we have to write greater number. For smaller number, for greater number, we have to add plus 1. Then we get the very next smallest number. So this is the procedure for smallest number and greatest number. How to say if he asks greater number, how to say if he asks smallest number. Yes, now friends, now we are going to discuss in 1 crore how many ones are there, how many tens, how many hundreds, how many thousand, how many 10,000, how many lakhs, how many 10 lakhs, how many crores are there. We are going to discuss. First of all, 1 crore means we have to write like this: unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore. In crore, total how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. 8 digits. So it means in crore, how many ones we have? In crore, total this many ones we have. 1 crore ones. 1 crore ones makes 1 crore. Then how many tens? In 10, 1 0 is there. We have to decrease 1 0. We have to decrease 1 0. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there. In tens, how many tens? If we are going to say how many tens are there, already in tens 1 10 is there. So that is why we have to decrease 1 0. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After decreasing 1 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros we will get. So this is this many tens we have. This many tens we have. And how many hundreds we have? In 100 we have already 2 zeros. Already 2 zeros we have. We have to decrease more 1 0 from tens. More 1 0 from tens. How many zeros in 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we take 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in 1000 how many zeros were there? In 1000 3 zeros were there already. So we have to decrease 3 zeros from this. And it means we have to decrease more 1 0 from 100. More 1 0 from 100. That is already in 100's place how many zeros were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After decreasing 1 more 0, then we get 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. many thousands there in 1 crore. In similar 10,000, in 10,000 we have already 4 zeros. So we have to decrease 4 zeros. So from this means already in 1000 4 zeros were there. From that we have to decrease 1 zero, one more zero. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. We have to decrease one more zero. 1, 2, 3. So this many 10,000s there in 1 crore. This many 10,000s there in 1 crore. In lakhs already how many zeros were there in lakhs? In lakhs 5 zeros were there. It means we have to decrease 5 zeros from ones. So it means from 10,000 we have to decrease only 1. So already 3 zeros were there. After decreasing 1 zero we will get 100. So how many lakhs were there in crore? 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. How many 10 lakhs were there? In 10 lakhs how many zeros were there? In 10 lakhs total 6 zeros were there. We have to decrease 6 zeros from ones. But from lakhs we have to decrease 1 zero. So already 2 zeros were there. After decreasing 1 zero we get 1 zero only. That is 10 lakhs make 1 crore. 10 lakhs make 1 crore. Then 1 crore means 1 crore only. 1 crore means 1 crore means. So in this way we have to decrease 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So how many, what he is asking? Hundreds. In hundreds how many zeros are there? So 2 zeros. In crore how many zeros are there? So in that two zeros we have to decrease and we have to say how many hundreds. If lakhs he asks, in lakhs how many zeros were there? We have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros we have to decrease from ones. Then we will get how many 10,000s were there in 1 crore. So in this way we have to decrease and say how many tens are there, how many ones are there, how many thousands are there, how many 10 lakhs were there. According to that, in 10 lakhs how many zeros are there. First you check how many zeros, that many zeros you decrease from 1 crore and say how many 10 lakhs were there in 1 crore. Not only in 1 crore, if I ask for 1 lakh, how many thousands were there? According to that you compare, so how many zeros were there in thousands and that many zeros you decrease from lakhs, then say this many zeros are there in lakhs. Comparison between here crore and all this is given. So in another way sometimes he asks if 10 lakhs, if here he gives 10 lakhs means here you take first 10 lakhs, then after that 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 you decrease 1, 1, 0 and you say how many thousands are there, how many ones are there, how many tens are there according to that.